Hi everybody, it's Jennifer.
Okay.
I have such a fun item that we were gifted today. I didn't even know that this existed. This is a chalkboard in a roll. You can cut it apart and it has like contact paper on the back and you can hang it anywhere. So be warned though, this will stick, and so you're gonna wanna make sure you put this on something that the paint won't be removed from the wall or the wallpaper, something like that. So let me show you how easy this is to come off. So you just remove this from the back. I'll show you up close. And look, that is like sticky. And on the back, you have the squares, so you could, cut this up. This would be great for our classroom teachers. You could give each kid a piece of this on their desk. That would be so much fun. Or you can put this on the back of a door and it would be really awesome. Okay, so let's roll this out so you can see it. It's super long. So you get a huge, long piece. Okay, so it also comes with, give me a second here. It also comes with this cloth. It's like microfiber. You have a little thing to hang it up, and this erases the chalkboard. You get this magnetic holder that will stick on there. And then you get two tiny magnets. Go ahead, Claire, and show that. And the magnets also stick on here. So you can use this also as a magnetic board. The magnets have to be a little bit lighter because this is not super thick, but magnets do stick to it. And then you also get from the holder 3 pieces of chalk in chalk holders. So those of you who are my age remember chalk holders. I think this is kind of fun. So Claire, why don't you demonstrate how this is to write on and to erase. Oh, love it. Okay, so we're going to erase now. Really got to put some elbow into that to erase it. And there we go. All right, so I am loving this. I think this is such a great purchase for a classroom teacher. This would make a great teacher gift. Also, homeschool families, I think this is a great addition to your classroom. I could think of just so many uses for this. Girl Scout leaders, putting this in your troop room at your church, just amazing. So I think it's amazing. I am loving it. Claire?
I like it too.
And I highly recommend.